Welcome to the next session. Today we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence in engineering field. As you are aware, artificial intelligence, that is AI, is a very buzzword today. Everyone is talking about it. Everyone wants to know how it can be used for their benefit and what is its use in various domains of our life. AI is revolutionizing the engineering field across various domains by improving efficiency, optimizing designs, and automating repetitive tasks. So we want to, ease out our life with the help of AI. So today we will discuss about the applications of AI in various engineering fields. First, we'll start with AI in civil engineering field. AI is transforming the way infrastructure is planned, built, and maintained. Smart infrastructure, AI powered systems like IBM's Maximo analyze structural health using sensor data, ensuring early detection of problems in bridges, buildings, and roads. Smart city applications use AI to optimize traffic flow through real time analysis of congestion data, controlling traffic lights to reduce delays. So, this is some use of AI wherein you can optimize the traffic flow in a particular area because today's cities are facing a lot of traffic issues because there is an increase in number of vehicles. Also, you can analyze the congestion data such that you can optimize the path which you can use to reach your particular destination. It can be used for controlling traffic lights such that you are reducing delays. That is when people are waiting in queues. So you can control the traffic lights such that if you know that there is a lot of people waiting, you can increase the time of movement and decrease the waiting time. Predictive maintenance, AI systems monitor infrastructure using IoT sensors, analyzing vibration, stress, and wear to predict failures before they happen. For instance, in railways, AI predicts track degradation. So, this is a very common example of the railway tracks which degrade over a period of time because of the continuous fatigue load to which the tracks are subjected to. So you can do a predictive maintenance, that is, you can predict when there will be a failure, and accordingly, you can do a maintenance such that you don't have to go for maintenance after its breakdown. Construction automation, autonomous equipment like bulldozers and excavators equipped with AI can perform site grading or material handling with minimal human intervention. So, these are some important activities which are very exhaustive for human beings. So, this can be done very easily with the help of AI. Robots like the SAM, semi automated mason, assist in laying bricks, reducing time, and improving consistency. The masonry work which is done with the help of people when they have to lay the bricks one above the other for building something, this can be done with the help of robots such that you are improving the consistency and also you are reducing the time which is required because of the fatigue which is involved in human beings. So robots can do the work faster. Next, let's talk about AI in mechanical engineering field. AI enhances the design, production, and quality assurance of mechanical systems. Design optimization, generative design tools, example, Autodesk Fusion 360 use AI to explore thousands of potential designs based on given constraints like material, weight, and strength. So all these things which were initially done by using manpower is now replaced with the help of AI in softwares also, such that the software can go into an iterative mode and give you the best combination of material, weight, and strength, such that you can use the material for longer duration of time, reducing the cost, reducing the weight, and also giving a tougher exterior to the material. AI reduces prototyping cost by simulating stress tests and other analysis virtually. So you can do virtual testing and you can decide prior to prototyping how the design should be such that you can have better designs and optimized one. Manufacturing automation, AI driven robots such as those by ABB and KUKA work collaboratively with humans, cobots in assembly lines to improve production efficiency and safety. So this is another use where you can collaborate human being and AI driven robots, and you can do the work more efficiently, and safety is also involved because the things which will involve harm to the humans, you can give it to the robots, which can be done easily. Quality control, computer vision systems powered by AI inspect manufactured parts for defects or inconsistencies. For example, companies like Landing AI provide tools for defect detection in semiconductor manufacturing. So you can do quality control job also very easily with the use of AI driven robots. When humans are involved, out of 1,000 parts created, then what we do is we check only for the 2 or 3% of the products, and we assume that rest of the parts are non-defective or least defective. But if you are going for robots, it becomes much easier because you can check all 1,000 parts without wasting too much of time and efforts. The next is electrical and electronics engineering. AI accelerates innovation and improves reliability in electrical systems and devices. Circuit design, AI tools like Cadence's Allegro 10 AI assist in designing PCBs by automating layout and routing tasks. AI simulates the performance of circuits under different conditions, reducing design time. So in circuit design also, when you involve human beings, it takes a lot of time. But when you use a robot, the work can be done at a faster speed. Fault detection, smart grids use AI to monitor energy distribution networks, predicting and isolating faults to prevent blackouts. For example, companies like GE use AI in their grid solutions. So, fault detection or predicting what faults will happen, it is difficult for human beings, but it is easier for AI based on the training that they get. If you are going to train your software such that, say you are training it for few defects which can happen, then automatically your AI will be able to figure out what could be the fault and what could be the solution. Consumer electronics, AI enabled smart assistants, example Alexa, Google Assistant, and IoT devices enhance user experience by automating tasks and learning user preferences. I think everyone is aware of this, and I don't need to give you any explanation because every house is now equipped with these kind of IoT tools wherein you can give some instructions and you don't have to use a lot of human labor. And using this name Alexa is quite difficult even when I am recording. From 7ac.com. When something is difficult, it means that it is not easy to do, understand, or solve. So you can hear my Alexa has already got activated and is giving response to what I'm saying. Next is aerospace engineering. AI ensures safety, efficiency, and innovation in aircraft and space systems. Predictive analytics. AI systems like GE Aviation's health awareness use machine learning to analyze engine data, predicting failures and optimizing maintenance schedules. This is another use of predictive analysis in aerospace engineering. Autonomous systems, autonomous drones such as those by DJI use AI for obstacle detection, navigation, and aerial mapping. AI is critical in developing self piloting spacecraft for interplanetary missions such as NASA's Mars rovers. This is also something I think you have heard of, and it is very common these days that drones are being used for obstacle detection or navigation and also aerial mapping. These things are nowadays used for betterment of human population and also for wars. So drones are being used in most of the cases. Also, a very useful application is of NASA's Mars rovers, where you can send your drones into the space, which are AI driven, and you can collect a lot of data using these drones. Flight optimization. Airlines like Delta and American Airlines use AI to analyze flight paths, reducing fuel consumption and improving arrival accuracy. AI in air traffic control, example SESAR in Europe, helps manage congestion and ensures safer flights. So this is another use which is extremely useful, because day in and day out every country sends a lot of flights in and out of the country. So if the path can be traced, you're reducing a lot of human labor, and also there is a lot of safety, because accidents can happen when the path is not traced properly. So you can save a lot of accidental cases. The next is chemical engineering. AI supports innovation and sustainability in chemical processes and materials. Process optimization. AI models analyze large data sets from chemical plants to optimize temperature, pressure, and other variables, improving production efficiency and reducing energy use. Examples include BASF using AI to improve their chemical manufacturing processes. So you can see that in chemical engineering also, process optimization can be done by the use of AI. Material discovery. AI platforms like DeepMind and Citrin Informatics accelerate the discovery of new materials such as lightweight alloys or advanced polymers for industrial and commercial use. So, this is again a very important application of AI in chemical engineering, wherein you can discover new materials over a short period of time. Environmental monitoring. AI tracks and analyzes emissions data to help industries comply with environmental regulations and reduce their carbon footprint. So, this is again a very big concern these days of reducing the carbon footprint, that is, the usage of too much of material. So, this can be monitored and you can prevent the pollution and other problems which happen because of excessive use of things with the use of AI. Software and systems engineering. AI streamlines software development and ensures systems are secure and efficient. AI powered development. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Tab9 assist software developers by suggesting code snippets, detecting bugs, and improving coding efficiency. Cybersecurity. AI systems like Darktrace detect and respond to cyber threats by learning normal system behavior and identifying anomalies in real time. So, these are two important applications where you can understand that AI is supporting the coders by providing either snippets or detecting the bugs or providing coding efficiencies. Also, you can protect your systems from cyber threats when you learn about the system behavior, and you also understand what are the anomalies in the real time behavior of the system. System simulations. AI powered simulations help design and test complex systems like smart traffic control networks or power grids before implementation. So, this is again an important application of AI, where you can test your complex systems and then put them to use. Environmental and sustainability engineering. AI drives innovation in tackling global environmental challenges. Renewable energy. AI predicts weather patterns to optimize solar panel and wind turbine energy production, as seen in solutions by companies like Siemens, Gamesa, and Tesla's solar roof. So, this is again a very important thing these days, because we know that our environment is highly suffering because of the use of diesel and petrol. So, if you are able to use something which is greener, like you're using green energy or renewable energy as you can call it, with the help of solar panels or wind turbines, you are actually making things better. So AI will help you predict the weather such that you know what will be the amount of sunlight or temperature you are receiving for solar panels, or what will be the wind velocity in a particular area where there are wind turbines. Climate modeling. AI models such as those developed by Google's DeepMind predict climate changes, and help governments design strategies to combat global warming. Water resource management. AI optimizes water usage in agriculture by analyzing soil and weather data as demonstrated by platforms like CropX. This is very useful because you are able to understand how much water should be given to the soil based on the weather conditions so that you are again saving on a very important resource, that is water. Biomedical engineering. AI enhances healthcare devices and treatments. Prosthetics and implants. AI enables the creation of prosthetics that adapt to users' movements in real time, such as the AI powered bionic arms by Open Bionics. So, if the AI is able to trace how the person is going to move his hands or legs, that is the implanted ones, so it will be able to assist in its movement. Medical device development. AI improves imaging devices like MRI and CT scanners by enhancing resolution and identifying abnormalities faster. So these days when you are training your AI and you are able to, you're training your software with the images, what happens is AI is able to predict, this could be the disease or this is the situation. So accordingly you can use it. Diagnostics and treatment. AI tools like IBM Watson assist in diagnosing diseases and recommending personalized treatment plans based on medical histories and genetic data. So, this is also very important. If you are giving the medical history of patients, not one, many, you are saving them. You figure out what happened to, say, 30 or 40 patients, you save it into your database, then AI will be able to predict what is the disease or based on the genetic conditions of the upcoming patients, the software will now be able to predict what could happen, what is the disease, what could be the treatment, and how to go about with it. So, this is a very important application of AI in biomedical engineering. Key benefits in detail: speed and efficiency. AI automates repetitive and time consuming tasks, allowing engineers to focus on innovation. For instance, AI cuts weeks from traditional design timelines. This is very important, and it's beautiful because when humans are involved, it takes a lot of time, which AI is going to reduce. Cost reduction. By optimizing resources and reducing errors, AI minimizes production and operational costs. Predictive maintenance alone can save industries billions annually. Because if you are going for breakdown maintenance, which means the machine has already broken down, it is just that the machine completely becomes obsolete. You will have to replace it with a new one. So in that case, if you would have, already had a predictive maintenance that okay, this is how the breakdown is going to happen, or this is already on the path of breakdown, so you can prevent that. So if this happens everywhere, just imagine how much money will be saved. Innovation. AI fosters creativity by exploring unconventional solutions and designs that humans might overlook. So AI will also be able to predict, that this could be an unconventional solution to problems which humans may or may not be able to figure out. Safety. AI ensures safer workplaces by automating dangerous tasks and predicting potential hazards. So, with the use of AI, that is robots, you are replacing human beings. The life of a human being can be saved by using a robot in that case, and hazardous jobs can be done by robots, such that you are not losing out on human life. Also, there are situations where there are potential hazards which humans may not be able to predict, which a AI driven robot can predict. So, in that case, also safety becomes a major concern, and you are able to provide that. Sustainability. AI helps industries reduce waste and energy consumption, contributing to global environmental goals. So with the use of AI, you will be able to become more sustainable by reducing the consumption, that is a carbon footprint, which is a major concern in the world currently. So today you have understood what is the use of AI in engineering field, and engineering is nothing but the way of life for every human being. So with the use of AI in future, you will have a lot of benefits. There will be drawbacks, but you will have to use everything in a proper way, because any technology which comes into the market is like a double-edged sword. You will have to decide what are the pros, what are the cons, and how it can be used for the benefit of human being. But AI is definitely a boon for human society. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the applications of AI in engineering field. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.